2nd August 2021, the supporters of the MLA of Mauhati constituency Dasakiat Lamare, along with traditional heads of Raj Nongtung, had met together to condemn the recent demands for apology from the Mauhati MLA made by the Sinjuk Ki Nongsan Sharchnong border area. Speaking to the media, the same of Hima Nongtung, Milwell Shadap, stated that out of the 34 villages of the Raj, 21 of them that are in the border area should be part of Meghalaya. He added that the best way to regain these villages would be through the give and take policy, which the government must implement at the earliest.
Manta ban trei borba ban punkut no ya kana ke jinga ka japur da kaya ai yashim kata ka kib ang tek polisi ka bon haga jing yo I jonga ai ki buriu kin kren ka ba kren kin kno gat bunno renga ngas no thu balang ba kana ka sarkar MDA kiwe ki sarkar ki balalai no kim pardon basim ka jing kitli kumagalong manta Dari kana ka sarkar MDA hakajin alam kunrar chief minister kila sim ya kana karai ke bakut ya ka ban pun kut do ya kana ke jing ya ka ja bordar menta don ki bakren bakla kata ka jing kulumar ha jongli kata ka jing kulumar Assam Mizoram kata kam kata ya kana ke jing mut yo bichi militar kajing pan baik put kam dei daga bor sipai kam dei daga bor pulit kam dei daga jing ya penjot jing tre ya pen pra dari kajing ya pan baik do put ka dei naka taka silent policy kumbale u Conrad sang ma bat u Vishwas Sharma.
One of the leaders of Raj Nongtung, Jonas Shadap, while clarifying on the alleged unfounded comments of Mauhati MLA Dasakiat Lamare on the Block 2 border issues, said that the entire Raj does not have anything negative to say to anyone, and also confirmed that their MLA had never passed any ill comments on the problems related to the border issues in the area.
Ngayem pat ban keren kum monong senang ban yada ya ka borom ka ijat jong ki nong senang jungi jong ki briubaro kepada nago to kathan jungi ban ong ba ngimdai suki be ki ban cha yalam baklah no rei laso thu pentik bakane kade baha bat kane kade basnu kane kade badai bat kane kade balak mo na ta kata hadin mengela perkhat ngelai song perkhat bang semua mengela sumit kum ka border area block 2 ban don kum kene no yalam tinggi ko ban pensai sepi ki pai ba nakaliang jungi hingim ban nakaliang di pai ba do ba das kero kat ba ula hakini ki license ula persang kat bala banda the lana bandarap idi ki skim pedroi ba fer nakaliang jungu nakaliang di department fer ula domla dalade he henrei kejington jungu ba raja brahma mo bade video da jongko borambo ipat muslim menjua mentau lalong kumu magistrate border area kalau yarap cipun berpensuk betul lalit di dalade balik jengok balik pet di jenglong jongko border area berkejia pet dia nanti juga skim fer rengkat kejia selok rengkat kejia keren nak por badu ba das cat MLA